All right, time for some Finally Friday birthdays, and starting off in Mound Valley, where Walker James Thompson is celebrating birthday number 3, and this comes with love from Mimi and Papa. Happy birthday, Walker.
Olivia Friend is turning 9 in Coral Junction, Missouri. Happy birthday from Mom, Dad, Nina, Sissy, and Junior. We love you.
And over in Jasper, we've got Roger Rush celebrating number 48. Happy birthday, Roger.
And we got Patty Yarnell turning 70 in Erie, Kansas.
And over in Chanute, we're celebrating with Dawn Bond, who's celebrating number 75. And this birthday wish comes from your brothers. Happy birthday, Dawn.
Mike and Letha Evans is celebrating their 28th anniversary in Frontenac, Kansas. Happy 28th anniversary from Maggie, Cody, and all of their family.
We've also got Judy Grant in Columbus celebrating. We also have Jeannie Robinson over in Baxter Springs. And Donna Hargis celebrating number 88 in Joplin. And this is happy birthday from your son, Greg. Fantastic list of birthdays, but I feel like it was lacking something. It was more birthdays. Amber can tell you where you need to send them so that we can make this list 10 times as long.
You can submit the birthdays to birthdays with an S at KOAMTV.com or birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com.
And while you're at our website, why don't you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club, because it's a really good idea, and here's why. You get some special deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message. Amber, you okay over there? All right, she's okay. But you also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM, so head over to KOAMNewsNow.com, sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.